Welcome to Gravity Classes. Today we have with us Anuguru Parthiv, who got AIR 285 in JEE Advanced 2021. So congratulations for your success. So tell us something about yourself and your family background.
My father is a school teacher and my mother is homemaker, and I have a brother. We are from Andhra Pradesh.
When did you start your preparation for JEE?
I started my preparation from my 9th class.
For 9th class. Did you join any coaching institute? Did you take any help from any coaching institute?
Yes, I took help from Gravity classes.
From Gravity classes. Okay. What was your strategy for JEE? As you said, you started early from 9th onwards. So, what exactly was your preparation strategy in 9th? If anyone watching from 9th class, so what did you say? How you manage things from 9th onwards?
In 9th class, I didn't study a lot of JEE syllabus, but only basics which are required to understand the concepts coming in 11th and 12th. So I want to suggest that whatever you learn in 9th, put them as basics, but make them perfect.
So, do you think early start was beneficial for you?
Yeah, it is beneficial for me because I believed early start would help me for cracking JEE. So and I think it actually helped me.
Okay. So what kind of benefits you got from your early start?
Learning in 9th and 10th helped me to understand the difficult concepts that are going to come in 11th and 12th easily. So like that, I was able to understand concepts better than my peers.
So what is your advice for the students who are currently studying in 8th or 9th? So
If possible,
should they start right from 8th or 9th class?
If possible, you can start from 9th class.
Okay.
Even you study some new concepts, it would be very helpful for your JEE.
What kind of study material did you follow during your preparation journey?
I followed the study material provided by Gravity.
Okay. So how was the material?
It was very concise and relevant for JEE Advanced, so that it actually helps you to face the questions that are going to come in JEE Advanced paper.
Do you think the previous year question papers provide any kind of help during this exam?
Yes, previous year questions are very important because while practicing them, you could actually feel the way JEE asks, and that helps you to face the actual situation when you write your JEE exam.
Okay. Did you give any mock test regarding this? And when you start giving mock test for your preparation?
I gave mock tests for my JEE preparation provided through my WhatsApp and app, and I started them from ending of my 11th.
Okay. So, a very critical questions often asked about the time management about this exam. So, how did you manage the time during your preparation?
If you are dedicated enough and wanting very strongly to pursue, you could actually put a lot of hard work. If you are willing to do the required amount of hard work, then automatically time doesn't matter.
Okay.
You can adjust it.
How did you manage the time during your actual exam when you were giving the exam? And how did you manage between these three subjects, physics, chemistry, maths?
I took 1 hour 15 minutes for physics, 1 hour 15 minutes for maths, and 1 hour for physics and remaining time for chemistry.
So, did you take Gravity test series for that?
Previously, for my preparation, I took mock test of Gravity.
How did they help you?
They helped me to understand the errors where I am making in certain chapters, and finally I corrected them. Like that, so many errors were corrected, and it helped on JEE.
So what is the difference between JEE Main and JEE Advanced?
Actually, for preparation, if you prepare for JEE Advanced, mains would be very easy, considering you had read those extra syllabus topics. So aim for JEE Advanced and you can easily go through mains.
If anyone asks about the difficulty level difference between the JEE Main and JEE Advanced, then how would you differentiate between both of them?
Advanced are such kind of questions such that even if you know the concept, it would be very hard to get the idea at that time, and even if you get the idea while solving somewhere, you may make a mistake because of lot of concepts that are involved. But in mains, only single concept would be involved to solve a question. So mains would be a lot easier than advanced, I believe.
What is the role of a teacher during these kind of comparative exam preparations? How gravity teachers were helpful for you?
Getting a good teacher is a fortunate event. So if you have a good teacher, he makes you to stay motivated throughout your journey and to perform well in your tests, and he helps you to take right decisions at right time. So I got help like that from my teachers.
Okay, did they solve your doubts?
Yeah, they solved my doubts even after the class timings.
Okay.
Through WhatsApp also I took help from teachers.
How will gravity management provide help in your exam preparation?
They made it easier to learn during pandemic time.
Okay.
Through WhatsApp, and they regularly called to attend classes and helped me to get the resources which I want.
How did you manage your studies during pandemic?
I was having good teachers, so they helped me to stay motivated to study. So even in lockdown, I was not facing so much problem because of my teachers.
Why did you want to pursue engineering? What was the motivation behind that?
I wanted to pursue engineering because I want to make innovations that could help the humankind,
Okay.
for which engineering has a lot of scope. I believe engineering gives me a lot of scope.
So which branch you are going to opt for?
I am going to opt for computer science.
Computer science. Okay. Did you use Gravity app?
Yeah,
Okay. So what kind of help you got from this app?
it has, for writing online tests, the interface was feeling like actual JEE advanced interface, and the result, after getting result, the analysis was also very nice. We are getting ranks in the tab also. For needing help, we can even contact through the tab.
So basically, there are three kinds of audience who are going to watch this video. First, they are in 9th or 10th class, and the second one is who is currently studying in 11th or 12th, and the third one is the pass out or the dropout batches. So, do you have three kinds of strategies for them to apply right from wherever they are currently?
For 9th and 10th classes, you have a lot of time, so you can focus on a lot of things. You can focus on JEE, KVY, Olympiads, and like that, so many competitive exams. You can even search for the exams which are conducted worldwide. So there are a lot to explore for 9th and 10th. In 11th also, even if you start from 11th, you have some opportunities, but it would be hard to maintain time for everything. But it takes a lot of effort. For droppers, I would prefer not to go more out of the track because you don't have much time. You do whatever you do with focus and without going out of JEE syllabus, and that would be helpful for you.
One last question, and a very important one for these kind of exams. There are stress problems in this exam. So how did you manage your stress during the entire journey? Because your journey lasts for 4 years. You started, and you said you started from 9th onwards.
Yes.
So how did you manage the stress?
It is normal that we feel stressed and demotivated sometimes, but staying like that doesn't help you. You should realize that it is a part of journey. When you realize it and accept it, you can come back to the track. When you don't realize it, you will stay in that and get into the wrong track. So realizing that it is normal and staying motivated to study what you like helps you, and you should like what you are studying.
What are your hobbies?
I play chess,
Okay.
and I watch documentaries, and I watch movies.
So thank you so much, and I again congratulate you on your stupendous success in the JEE Advanced 2020.